There she is, the graduate. Hello, Sarah.
Hi, Leo. I am so glad we could meet up today.
Me too. First and most importantly, I have to say a huge congratulations to you. I was so happy when I heard your news.
Thank you so much, Leo. That means a lot to me. It has been a very exciting and busy few days.
I am sure it has been. I saw the photos that you posted online from your graduation ceremony. You looked so happy and proud in your cap and gown. It was a wonderful picture of you with your diploma.
I was so happy. It was one of the best days of my life. It still does not feel completely real, to be honest.
Well, it is real. You did it. All of your hard work has finally paid off. I am incredibly proud of you.
So, you have to tell me all about the graduation ceremony. I have never been to a university graduation before. What was it like?
It was a very grand and formal event. The ceremony was held in the university's oldest and most beautiful hall. It was completely full with all the graduates and their families.
It sounds like a very special atmosphere.
It really was. We all had to wear the traditional academic robes, which are called a cap and gown. It felt very strange to be wearing them, but also very special. It made the day feel very important.
And what was the best moment for you?
The best moment was definitely when they called my name. I had to walk up onto the big stage all by myself, and the head of the university shook my hand and gave me my diploma. I could see my parents in the audience, and they were cheering so loudly. It was a moment I will never forget.
I can only imagine how amazing that must have felt. To have all of your hard work recognized in that one moment?
It was a great feeling. And it really was a lot of hard work to get to that moment.
I know it was. I am your friend, so I saw how much effort you put in over the last 3 years. I remember all those evenings when you had to stay at home to study for a big exam.
There were a lot of those evenings. I remember one time you invited me to go to the cinema, but I had to say no because I had a huge 20-page essay to write.
I remember that. I also remember you working all weekend at the library to finish your final project. You were always so dedicated and focused. You deserve all of this success.
Thank you, Leo. There were definitely some very challenging moments. I remember my second-year statistics class. I found it so difficult. I really thought I was going to fail. But I studied extra hard, and I managed to pass. I am very proud of that.
You should be proud. You overcame a big challenge. So, when you look back at your whole university experience, what is one of your favorite memories, besides the graduation day itself?
That is a wonderful question. There are so many good memories. It is hard to choose just one.
Just the first one that comes to your mind.
I think one of my favorite memories was from my first year. I was in a group project with 3 other students who I did not know very well. We had to create a big presentation together.
Group projects can be very stressful. Was it a good experience?
It was the best experience. We all worked together so well. We had so much fun brainstorming ideas. We became such good friends during that project. and we are all still very close friends today. In fact, they were all at the graduation ceremony with me.
That is a beautiful memory. University is not just about the classes. It is also about the people you meet and the friendships you build.
That is so true. The friendships I made are the most valuable thing I am taking away from the whole experience.
So now that the classes, the exams, and the graduation ceremony are all over, how does it feel to be completely finished?
It is a very strange and interesting feeling. On one hand, I feel a huge sense of relief. It is like a giant weight has been lifted off my shoulders. I do not have to worry about deadlines or studying anymore. I have so much free time now.
The feeling of freedom must be amazing.
It is. But on the other hand, I also feel a little bit sad. University has been a huge part of my life for the last 3 years. It was my routine. It was my community. It is strange to think that this big chapter of my life is now over.
I can understand that. It's the end of an era. It is okay to feel both happy and sad at the same time. It is a big life change.
It is a very big life change. It is exciting and a little bit scary at the same time.
I know that this is the question that everyone is probably asking you right now, but I have to ask it too. What is next for you, Sarah? What are your plans for the future?
That is the big question, is it not? I am sure most of my classmates are busy applying for jobs right now.
Is that what you were doing? Are you starting your big job search?
I will be doing that very soon, but I have decided to give myself a small break first. I think I have earned it. I have been studying for so many years without a real holiday.
I think you have definitely earned a break. So, what are you going to do?
I have decided to go traveling for a month. I am going to go backpacking around Southeast Asia. I have always dreamed of doing it. I want to see new cultures, try new food, and have an adventure before I start my career.
A 1-month backpacking trip around Southeast Asia? Sarah, that sounds absolutely incredible. I am so excited for you. That is the perfect way to celebrate your achievement.
I think so too. It is a gift to myself.
Speaking of gifts, did you have a celebration with your family after the ceremony?
We did. It was very special. My parents, my grandparents, and my brother were all there. After the ceremony, we went to a very nice restaurant for a celebration dinner.
That sounds lovely. Your parents must be so incredibly proud of you.
They are. My dad gave a very sweet speech at the dinner, all about how proud he was of my hard work. It made me cry a little bit. And my grandparents gave me a very thoughtful graduation gift.
Oh, what did they give you?
They gave me a beautiful, high-quality suitcase for my upcoming trip. It was such a perfect and useful gift. It showed that they really listened to my plans and they want to support my dreams.
A new suitcase for your new adventure. That is a wonderful gift. It sounds like you have an amazing and supportive family.
I really do. I am very lucky. I could not have finished my degree without their support. They were always there for me, especially when I was feeling stressed or overwhelmed.
A good support system is so important when you are trying to achieve a big goal.
It is, and that includes you, Leo. I want to thank you as well.
Me? What did I do?
You were a great friend to me during my studies.
You were always willing to listen to me, complain about my assignments, and you always encouraged me and told me that I could do it, especially when I did not believe in myself. That friendship and support meant a lot to me.
Of course, that is what friends are for. I was always happy to be your cheerleader.
Well, I appreciate my cheerleader very much. I feel like I have been talking all about myself and my life. Let's talk about you for a minute.
There is not much to talk about with me. I am just working, same as always.
But you were doing so well at your job. I remember you telling me that you were working towards a big promotion. How is that going?
It is going well, I think. The big project that I am leading will be finished in about 2 months. If the project is successful, my boss has said that the promotion is very likely. So, I am working very hard to make sure it is a success.
That is your graduation ceremony, in a way. That project is your final exam.
That is a great way to put it. I had not thought of it like that.
Well, I am your cheerleader now. I know you are going to do an amazing job. You are so talented and hardworking. You deserve that promotion.
Thank you, Sarah. That really means a lot. It is nice to feel supported, too. But today is about you, not about me.
It is about us. It is about celebrating a milestone and looking forward to the future.
You are right. So, I want to say it one more time. Congratulations, my dear friend. You have achieved something amazing, and I am so proud to know you. I would like to make a toast to you.
A toast? With coffee?
Yes, a coffee toast. Please raise your coffee cup with me. Here is to you, Sarah, to your incredible achievement, to your hard work, and to the exciting new chapter that is just beginning in your life. To your future success.
Thank you, Leo. That is the nicest toast I have ever received. Now I'm going to cry again. Thank you for being such a wonderful friend.
Always. Now, tell me more about this backpacking trip. I want to hear all the details.